This is a jobcost.com video tutorial on how to enter job phase estimates through the Job Phase Estimate Import CSV feature. In the main cabinet, go to Job Cost, click on Job Phase Estimate Import CSV, select the job from the dropdown that you are entering job phase estimates for. The CSV file must include all columns listed below in the same order, even if there is no data in them. Enter all necessary job phase estimate information into the appropriate cells on your file for this job. There are several CSV options for saving this file. It is required to use the CSV comma-delimited.csv option for proper upload. Next, click on Select File to choose the CSV file to be uploaded into the job phase estimates for this particular job. If your CSV file has a header row, check the box to ignore first row. Click Import. It will then tell you how many job phase estimates were imported successfully and if there were any failed records. If there were any failed records, a Job Cost Accounting Import CSV log will be generated, available in your Downloads folder telling you what needs to be corrected. It will also create a new Job Cost Accounting Import CSV Failed Records file for the failed records that you can use to import after making all necessary corrections. Click OK when done importing CSV file. Now all the imported job phase estimates can be viewed under the Job Phase Estimate View options in Job Cost.